Hey there, space enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're diving into a fascinating yet concerning story that has caught the attention of scientists and sky watchers alike. Get ready for a wild ride as we explore the accidental collision course of a SpaceX rocket with our beloved moon. So, here's the deal: a SpaceX rocket, launched over a year ago, is drifting aimlessly and has found itself on a collision path with the moon. This isn't a planned mission or a Hollywood movie plot, it's an unintended consequence of our space exploration activities. And get this, folks, it's about to create a cosmic crash that scientists are eager to observe. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The rocket's upper stage, traveling at a whopping 5,400 miles per hour, is predicted to slam into the moon near the Einstein crater. That's 7 times the speed of sound. And the best part? We get to witness this cosmic event from the comfort of our homes, as long as we're in the right time zone. While space junk is a growing concern, this particular incident isn't causing too much worry among scientists. But it does serve as a reminder of the increasing congestion in our orbit. As Bill Gray, a space tracking expert, puts it, things are getting crowded up there. And he's right. We need to keep an eye on this situation and find ways to manage our space junk better. You might be wondering, why didn't SpaceX just nudge the rocket into a different orbit? Well, that's a great question, and one that space experts have been discussing. It seems like a simple solution, but it's not always that straightforward. Sometimes, these things just happen, and we're left to deal with the consequences. This isn't the first time a rocket has accidentally crashed into the moon. In 2022, a Chinese rocket segment left a pair of craters on the lunar far side. And now, we're about to witness another impact on the moon's near side, releasing the energy equivalent to 3 tons of TNT. The impact itself might not be visible from Earth, but the aftermath could be quite a sight. Experts predict a stream of ejected material stretching for miles into space, visible to telescopes for tens of minutes. It's like a cosmic fireworks display, but with a lot more scientific value. Benjamin Fernando, from the Los Alamos National Laboratory, is encouraging everyone, professionals and amateurs alike, to observe this event. Why? Because it provides a unique opportunity to understand the hazards posed by debris impacts on future astronaut missions. We need to learn from these incidents to ensure the safety of our space explorers. So, what do I think about all this? Well, personally, I find it both fascinating and worrying. On one hand, it's an incredible opportunity for scientific observation and learning. On the other, it highlights the need for better space junk management and the potential risks we're creating. It's a reminder that with great space exploration comes great responsibility. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with a thought. This accidental collision is a wake-up call, a sign that we need to pay more attention to the growing congestion in our orbit. It's a complex issue, but one that we must address to ensure the sustainability of our space activities. Stay curious, my friends, and keep looking up. Until next time, this is Your Name, signing off.